Pregnancy can make it difficult to find a comfortable sleeping position, but a good maternity pillow can make all the difference. In this review, we'll explore the top-rated pregnancy pillows, from full body support to versatile designs. These pillows promise to ease discomfort, improve sleep, and make your journey a bit more comfortable. Number 1, Momcozy Pregnancy Pillow Review. Finding a comfortable sleeping position during pregnancy can be a challenge, but the Momcozy Pregnancy Pillow makes it easier. This 57-inch U-shaped pillow provides full body support, cradling the head, back, belly, hips, and legs. Its soft velvet cover and premium polyester fill ensure cloud-like comfort while maintaining durability. The pillow helps improve blood circulation, relieves back pain, and reduces leg swelling, making it ideal for expecting mothers. Plus, it's versatile, perfect for nursing, reading, and lounging. Pros: full body ergonomic support. Soft, machine washable cover. Helps with pregnancy discomfort and body pain. Multi-purpose use. Cons: takes up space in bed. Some may prefer a firmer pillow. A must-have for restful sleep. Number 2, Moonpine Pregnancy Pillow Review. Finding a comfortable sleeping position during pregnancy can be challenging, but the Moonpine Pregnancy Pillow offers full body support to ease discomfort. Designed with a breathable velour cover and high-quality PP cotton filling, this U-shaped pillow supports the head, neck, back, belly, knees, and legs, reducing muscle strain and improving sleep quality. Not just for pregnancy, it's great for lounging, reading, nursing, or post-surgery recovery. The removable, machine washable cover makes maintenance effortless. Pros and cons. Pros: breathable, soft fabric. Ergonomic full body support. Helps relieve pregnancy-related pain. Multifunctional use. Cons: takes up space in bed. Firmness may not suit everyone. Overall, this maternity pillow is a must-have for expecting moms seeking better sleep. Number 3, Momcozy Portable Pregnancy Pillow Review. The Momcozy Portable Pregnancy Pillow is a game-changer for expectant mothers seeking comfort and support during sleep. Its W-shaped design provides targeted relief for the back, belly, and hips, ensuring a restful night's sleep. The adjustable Velcro allows for a customized fit, making it suitable for all trimesters and body types. Lightweight and portable, this pillow is perfect for travel, alleviating discomfort on the go. Plus, its machine washable, hypoallergenic cover ensures easy maintenance. Pros: great support for the back, belly, and hips. Adjustable for different body types. Portable and travel friendly. Easy to clean, hypoallergenic materials. Cons: the W-shaped design may not suit all sleeping positions. Takes time to adjust to the perfect fit. Overall, this pillow is an excellent investment for comfort during pregnancy or general body pain relief. Number 4, Cute Castle Pregnancy Pillow Review. The Cute Castle Pregnancy Pillow offers exceptional comfort and support, making it a must-have for expecting mothers or anyone seeking full body relaxation. Its 57-inch length and premium polyester fill provides soft, huggable support for the head, back, belly, knees, and feet. The pillow's versatile design is perfect for side or back sleepers and helps alleviate discomfort from pregnancy, sciatica, and other body aches. Plus, the removable, machine washable cover makes it easy to maintain. Pros: full body support for various discomforts. Soft, durable, and machine washable. Versatile for multiple uses, sleeping, nursing, TV. Cons: might be too large for some users. Softness may not suit those who prefer firmer pillows. Overall, it's a great investment for anyone seeking pain relief and restful sleep. Number 5, Momcozy Pregnancy Pillow Review. The Momcozy Pregnancy Pillow offers exceptional comfort for expectant mothers, with its J-shaped design providing full body support. It's perfect for side sleepers, offering relief to the head, neck, belly, and back. The breathable polyester fabric ensures softness, while the pillow's adjustable, space-saving design allows for comfortable use without disturbing your partner. Its machine-washable cover makes maintenance a breeze. Pros: ergonomic J-shaped design for full body support. Soft, breathable polyester fabric ideal for sensitive skin. Adjustable and portable for versatile use. Easy to remove, machine-washable cover. Cons: may take up some space in smaller beds. Slightly bulky for those with limited storage space. Overall, it's a highly recommended pillow for pregnant women needing comfort and support during sleep. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.